Well, let me ask you a question. What makes you an artist? If you draw or paint or make films or a photographer or you write, whatever you do that's creative, what makes you an artist? Do you need a piece of paper or a degree to make yourself an artist? In a lot of aspects, I think this is really the truth. If you practice your craft, be it whatever it is, sculpture, painting, metal, filmmaking, whatever, and you practice that, whether you went to school or not, you're an artist. Could you get better by studying with someone? I would say probably yes. Not everybody can, not everybody wants to go through that process. Happily today with the internet, you can learn things. On YouTube, you can learn a lot about basically anything you want to know about. If you want to learn about how to make a ring or how to paint or how to make a film, you can learn that off the internet as well. And one thing about going to school, you do collaborate, you meet folks that are interested in the same things that you are, and you get basically this cohort, and a lot of that's really positive, and these are friends that you'll probably have, hopefully, for the rest of your life. However, I don't think you need a piece of paper to be an artist. I would say this: if you create every single day, if you make something every single day in your craft, then I would say, yeah, you're an artist. Can you improve? Yeah. And a lot of times time improves. You know, your first painting is probably not as good as your 20th painting or your 200th painting and whatnot. Your first screenplay is not near as good as your 50th screenplay. And so if you just keep on working on your craft, you get better and you get better and get better. And you're an artist. And I guess in a lot of aspects, don't be afraid to call yourself an artist. If you're an artist, if you feel like an artist and you create things and you make things, you are an artist. If you make one painting, I guess technically you are an artist. I would say those that practice the craft of acting or dance or visual arts or whatever, these are the folks that do these things every single day. These are folks that they may work a regular job, but when they go home they paint. When they go home they practice acting. When they go home they practice photography or they write. And I just encourage you, if you are creative and you want to call yourself an artist, you are an artist. And if you want to go to school, great. If you don't want to go to school, that's great too. If you want to learn from some other folks, that's great. If you don't want to learn from anyone but yourself, that's great too. So, yeah, you're an artist. As always, rock and roll, and of course it does compete. If you like this type of content, please subscribe to my channel. My name is Herbert Midgley. I am the internet legend, the most unique content anywhere in the universe, right here on this channel. And it does compute. Yeah.